I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, have 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon ready. Finally, prepare a shallow dish for dipping and a non-stick pan for cooking. Let's get started. Now let's create our rich custard. Carefully crack 2 large eggs into your shallow dish. Whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined and smooth. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir this mixture gently until all the ingredients are perfectly incorporated, forming a smooth, aromatic batter. This is key for flavor. With our batter ready, it's time to cook. First, heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Now, take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture. Allow it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side, ensuring it's fully coated but not soggy. Then, carefully place the coated bread into the hot pan, cooking 2 slices at a time for best results. To achieve golden perfection, cook each side of your French toast for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve your warm French toast immediately with your favorite toppings, perhaps some maple syrup or fresh berries. This recipe yields 3 delicious servings with 2 slices per person. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.